Diyos ko, meron na namang mga ano, 7 signs.
Ay, eto mukha. Of the
Oo,
apocalypse.
eto na, apocalypse. Nako, eto na po. Pero paano nga ba? I love you to BFF. Pero paano nga po pa pala maging tunay na diva? Buti na lang at pinaunlakan tayo ng mga The Diva para po ipadama sa atin ang tunay na essence ng pagiging diva.
Ito kaya, ayoko kasi maging diva.
Oo, sila na lang. Di bali na silang lalaki.
Eh, bakit lang sa kanila natakot ako?
Lalaki man o babae, pero eto na po sila, walang-wala na. Eto po, para ma-refresh ang ating mga alaala. Kung sino ang tinutukoy natin, panoorin po natin.
Utang na loob.
Eto na po, ready na ang The Divas. At eto po sila, Empire State of Mind.
Yeah. Check this out, yeah.
Come on, people. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
People in the house.
Down in the Brooklyn, headed to the tribe, make a nice selection area.
Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Come on.
Listen to Sinatra, sister doesn't meet me here. I can meet it anyway. Get me like it anyway.
Go, baby.
You can go to Harlem. Pull up my Dominican, just like it's like
Yes. New Yorker move. Come on.
to my tash bar. 5, 6, and 7
Yes, natok ako.
Meet
Wala
in the
akong
kitchen in the
You're
city,
fine.
whipping pastry. You did not
Ako sa
teach
mood.
me.
Come on, people.
Texas, driving so slow, but BK's from Texas.
Lakas na.
My home begin. Wanna let the billboard my post with me. Send me my tata. Send me my mata.
Galing mo, Tol.
Yes, nigga. Have fun. Get this mic at you. I can a referee. Tell me my attitude. Like you know, certainly from say.
naging Fiona. Okay. Maraming salamat. We love you. And magbabalik pa po. Sharon!
Kaya kita mahal eh. Malaking